Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable AI filter on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open Gallery and select an image you want to edit. Then tap on the Edit button. Now just select Filters and tap on the Custom Filters icon from here. Now just select an image from your Gallery app to create a custom filter using the colors from the selected image. For example, if I select this image, it will use the colors from this picture to create a custom filter for our image. From here, if you tap on filter 1, you can give a name to this filter. Then tap on Done. Then select Done. And as you can see, we have successfully created a custom filter in our Gallery app. And this is how you can enable AI filter on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.